Everybody. Welcome to this week where we're going to be talking about Chapter 2, Methods. In this chapter, we explore the way that sociologists obtain their data to prove their hypothesis. So if they're looking at something like the effect of poverty on children's academic functioning, for example, they need to actually talk to lots of kids who are in poverty and who aren't, compare their data so they can prove their hypothesis. So we're going to talk about the way that they collect that data, the way they treat their subjects to make sure that it's ethical, and we're going to look at some examples of research studies. So this week, you're going to read Chapter 2 in your textbook, and you are also responsible for taking a look at a research study that we're going to use in class. So I have emailed that out, but also you can find that on Blackboard. So we're going to head over to lesson plans, assignments, and tests. And I'll show you where that is. Okay, so in the Chapter 2 Methods folder, we are going to head down here. There are a couple videos we're going to watch during class. That's in this folder as well. And you're going to click on the Doll Study Research article. And there you'll find the study. So guys, I want you just to take a look at it. You don't have to worry about, there's a lot of details in it, but if you read the problem and the conclusions, that is probably the most important. And I will go over that in detail in class. So for this week, also, you will have a discussion question due and a homework due on Friday. And let's just review where we find those quickly on Blackboard. Okay, so we're going to click again on lesson plans, assignments, and tests. We're going to head over to homework assignments, and we're going to see homework assignment number 3 on methods. Okay. And then you're going to answer those questions based on your chapter reading and class and submit them. And let's head over to our discussion for this week. So we're going to click on discussions. And we're going to head over to Chapter 2 Methods. And for this week's discussion, you're going to watch a short video on a sociological research study that was done by a sociologist named Jane Elliott. You're going to watch that video. You're going to answer these 3 questions. If you have any questions, let me know. And you're also going to respond to your peers. Okay, that's this week. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and give me an email. All right, hope you guys have a great week.